slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell.
So this is file on the zip file. So I go to the source, I go to install and install the file. So I go back to install zip file, the zip file, and I install the zip file. I submit the setup, and then I do again. I go to add, choose plugin. So there's an update, click the update, and voila, update. If you have only one file, you just do the okay. I think that's not successful done. I'm dealing with this error. So this is done, and I guess I don't need to update them. So once this is done, I go to settings, and I give it any name. So ensure it is small letters, then small caps, small letters. So normally I just like using what is on top of this. So I just say WooCommerce. I have a WooCommerce prefix. I can give it a name. So let's say the name is download. I call it download website. The name of the plugin. I give it a description. Oh, I love this. So I copy this and I paste it here as description, and I put it down when I get back. So as description, and voila, you can give it your name, download, as the name of the author. So yeah, this is done. Download name. So for this, okay, you can put your URL there. So download. The website URL there is not necessary, it doesn't matter whether I put any URL there. It's just a URL to represent the author of the plugin. So here we are generating plugin. So I submit, and then I'll get the plugin. So and then I'll click this download icon here, download the plugin. Voila, this is the plugin that is going to the WooCommerce. You can see it as downloaded. It's going to the WooCommerce. So before I go to the WooCommerce, I have to do some system settings. So I go to system, I go to admin API here, and I select everything. Select everything. So this allows the plugin to connect via the API, and it works fine on the WooCommerce website. So I do that and save. So after that is done, the next thing is to go and create an API. So I go to tools section here, other tools, I go to API keys, and then I say add key. Then I call it download WooCommerce. You can give it any name, it doesn't matter. For mine, I call it download WooCommerce just to identify it. So this is basic one, but then I want to give it everything. So this is like API callings for certain things that is going to be called from the by the plugin from the WooCommerce that is connected to this API. So I want to ensure this API everything is selected. Normally I don't have to select this according to the documentation, but then I don't want to do this twice. So I select everything. So yeah, everything in WooCommerce, get access to everything that this does. So, and OTP. So this is done, and then I submit. So API key is generated. So this is, just say this is my WooCommerce. So the next thing I want to do is go to my WooCommerce website and upload the plugin. So I have a WooCommerce website here. For me to upload the plugin, I go to plugins on my WooCommerce, I go to add new. And then after adding new, I go to upload plugin. And then I add the plugin. So to add the plugin is quite simple. It's download, you can see the download file is called WooCommerce. So I add it there and I install. So and then I activate the plugin. My website is misbehaving. You know what, let me try this second WooCommerce website. Alright, so this is another website. You add the plugin. Then go to upload. I'm going to choose file. And then you have it installed. And then activate plugin. After that is done, now we continue. And voila, you have it there. So whenever you are searching for your plugin, it's always under settings, and then you see it there, down row, under settings, down row, see it there. So for you to set it up is simple. So you get your API key. So how do you get your API key? Simple. You go back to where we created the API key. You can see it here, and then there's this copy API key security. You copy it. You go ahead and you add the API key. So the second thing you want to do is, okay, you want to choose whether it's for SMS or WhatsApp. So I recommend you use WhatsApp if you don't have because it's the one that is cheapest and you have no fee to pay. But for SMS, you can choose SMS as well, whichever one you like. All you have to do is just include this. So for WhatsApp ID, so for the WhatsApp ID, how do you pick this? So the first thing you want to do is to have connected your WhatsApp to the WhatsApp to the server. So you have connected WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, let me connect my WhatsApp. Now what I mean by WhatsApp, you have to go to the WhatsApp section here, you go to account section here, and then to scan your WhatsApp and link it here, just where you link your web WhatsApp. So you link it with this QR code here. So that's basically it. So let me scan. Alright, so it's simple. Now we have WhatsApp connected, and all we have to do is, as I mentioned earlier, we want to add WhatsApp account ID here. So for you to get WhatsApp account ID, you go to the WhatsApp section, and then you go to account section, and then you see your WhatsApp that's connected. Ensure this place is connected, showing connected. Mine is not connected now, but it doesn't matter. I'm just using this for tutorial purposes. So you copy unique ID here. You copy, and then you go back here, and then you paste it, Ctrl V, and that's it for this part. And in case you are using SMS, you want to, if it's a device you are using, that's where you copy WhatsApp ID device. You go and get device ID for SMS. Let's see if there's an SMS device here. Go to Android section. So there's a device here, you copy it here. So this is the unique device ID. That's if you are using SMS. And then you paste it here for unique device ID. And if you have gateway also, you go and copy your gateway ID and put it here as well. If it's that is if you are using SMS here. So for this SMS, it's for this, but we are using WhatsApp, so we don't need this. So I'm removing it, and we are sticking to WhatsApp. And then save changes. And then for admin settings, you go to admin settings. If you want to receive messages directly on WhatsApp for any orders, you click this. If you want to receive messages for pending order, you click this. Completed, cancelled, refunded, failed, low stock number. And for mobile number, you want to put your mobile number as well. Then you want to put a plus there. And this is a template, you can edit it. You want to edit it, and then you save. So this is the admin settings for low stock order and all of that. For customer orders, I should do the same thing. Click, and save. And if you have a multi-vendor WooCommerce website, you click as well for multi-vendor. So your multi-vendor people can get this thing. And voila, it's done. Once you have done this, you should start working. You can test another and ensure the WhatsApp here in the WhatsApp section, for the account section, is showing connected before you test. In this case, is showing connected before you test. So once that is done, you can start using the software to receive message directly on WhatsApp and start getting message on WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you.